isolated monument area. I don't know what the fuck you want to call it.
Ew, this looks disgusting.
You know, I've never been in a helicopter.
What?
Ever.
You have never ever?
No.
Yeah,
I've
me
been in a
neither.
plane. So why you made it sound like, like, oh, like you've never been? Like what?
Bro, it's part of the plot.
You got it. Okay, so.
What
oh,
the hell?
Sorry.
Wow.
Sorry.
That's rude. You saw that, bruh? You saw that?
What happened?
Alright. That was misinput. Misinput.
Alright. Where the hoes at?
Come on, Brittany.
Am I a girl?
No,
Nah,
you're an old
you're-
man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Professor Oak.
Yeah. Where's our Pokemon at?
How do I cut? Oh, okay.
Whoa. You just almost slashed me in the face.
Bro, aw. Damn it.
I wanted to slash you in the face.
Yeah,
Wow, what a shit lighter. What the hell?
I know. It's like an electric one.
Bro, that's
We gotta
ass.
find a flashlight.
I need to find a stick so I can make.
Yeah, actually, that's like a great idea. I don't even have a fucking. Wait, we're leaving Owen.
Oh,
Okay. Oh no, we're already deep end. Keep going.
fuck it.
Yeah, let Brittany go first. Yeah, let her go first.
Oh my god, a dead body.
Yeah, it's soldier. Wait, what is that? Wait, what is that?
What is what?
Wait, right there. Behind you, over there, in front of us.
Look, the cannibals. Look, Brittany, Sheila, look, right here, look.
I don't see shit.
Right
Wait,
here.
go back.
Why am I going back? Why am I going back?
What do you mean you can't see shit? It's literally right there. Look at it. Let's go.
Oh my god! No! Wrong way! Wrong way! Oh my god!
You ran towards them.
I went towards him, bruh. Oh my god. They look like
it following us
fucking
now?
jumping monkeys. I can't kill it? Come on. Come catch a fade.
You wanna kill it? Alright, kill it.
Try them. Roger.
Wait,
Yeah,
can
we're
it
definitely gonna fucking die.
can it kill me?
Where is it? Yeah, I can
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, let's catch a fade, bro.
We all have to hit him at the same time.
Alright, bet. I'm scared.
Wait, it's right there. Look. It's right there. Look. Right
I'm
there. There's like two of them, I think.
Yeah, there's two. One stays back. I know there's one more close to us. There's one really close.
Wait, do we have Molotovs?
Oh, wait, I've got a grenade.
Oh, yeah. Hold on, I have one too. Wait, there's one right here in front of us.
Grenade.
Wait, I think it sees me. So watch out, it's right in front of you. Watch out.
Oh my god, that's ugly.
I'm throwing it. I'm throwing my grenade. Come on, I'm throwing some flares. It's so dark in here.
There's like 4.
Where's my grenade?
It's in a box. It's like somewhere on top. For some reason, he's not like charging at us. I think we kill it.
Wait, get back.
I'm going in!
Grenade!
Oh my god, no!
Kill it!
Oh, you got it.
Nice.
Look. Kill this one. Look.
Ah!
Where'd she go?
Behind, next to you.
Get her, get her, get her! Get her, get her!
Ah! I'm trying! Fuck off!
Dyson, Dyson.
She's dead,
Oh,
she's dead, she's dead.
yes,
she's dead.
guys!
Yeah, you know what? Let's take our fucking winners. Let's go. Fucking go.
What the fuck? You're carrying that thing?
No, let's keep going. Let's
Come
keep
on.
going, let's keep going, let's keep going.
Alright.
Keep
That's
going. Put it right
ugly.
there.
Small
God.
forest, by the way, Brittany. Like, you see that penis?
It's ugly.
Yeah, you do.
Smash her past her.
Ass.
What the fuck you mean? We just killed her.
Oh.
Holy fuck.
There's one right here, look, right here.
It's eating! Fuck off! Fuck off!
Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
Cut his arm off. Purple.
Ooh.
Okay. Yo, left or right? Alright, go right, go right. We're going right already.
Keep going. Sorry.
Ow!
Didn't like that. Didn't like that.
Okay.
You know what?
This is...
Beautiful.
Hopefully we don't find a Geodude. What the fuck?
You will. Did you just stop me?
Yes! Shut up! There's another one? Yes!
Come back a little bit, come back a little bit, come back, come back.
I hit him, I think.
He's coming for me.
Okay, now. There's
I'm
two of
dead!
them, there's two of them.
I'm dead.
I'm dead! I'm dead!
I'm dead. Yeah, I got fucked up, yo.
No, no, I revived you, guys, I revived
Well, Professor Oak. You don't. Bro, I'm weak, motherfucker. That's
Don't
Bro,
call
I
me.
need medication. I need a Don't want.
Wait, can we mine wood?
Chop wood? Yeah.
Use your hand.
You don't mine wood, bruh.
Oh, chop wood?
Chop it down. Chop shit.
Not too much on me, Olive. Not too much on me. Oh, did you just collect my stuff?
You pick it up. Look, come here, come here. There's more. Look, come here, come here. Look, you can only pick up 2 at a time. So come here, pick up these 2.
See, look, he looks like a predator.
Fuck
I
you!
wouldn't trust this guy.
What the hell?
Like, if you walked past my car, I'm like locking the door.
How do I become a cute?
No, not me.
How do I change my skin?
Oh,
You have to
No,
buy
you can't.
V-Bucks, and you have to go to the shop.
Bieber.
Oh hell no, I'm not gonna buy V-Bucks.
Just kidding.
Wow, I don't want to be this ugly character.
It changes every game. You can't
Every
really
time we log on, like someone will just be, he'll be a different character. Oh, there's fire over there. All right.
I'm so ugly.
Cannibal Ken.
Let's switch characters,
Oh.
Alex. Wait,
Can never be me. Stop.
what the hell?
1 of 1.
Whatever.
Hey, look, Brittany. Let me show you how to make a fire. Go to your. Do you have sticks?
Yeah.
Go to your inventory. In the bottom right, see the sticks?
Yeah, I have the sticks.
Equip it. Like just equip it. And then look at your feet. Down. And then it's gonna like prompt you to like create a fire. You see it? I got these poppers. And then to make somewhere to sleep, we have tarp. Oh, we do. On the top right. Oh, look, there's Kevin. He's right there.
What the hell, this dummy?
Oh.
What the hell?
Oh, see, look. Oh my god. Die. Die.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I was gonna get him to build us a little tent. Campfire.
Die. Die. I'm missing horribly. Oh, okay, you got him. Yeah, he's dead now.
Wow, we can't revive him.
How? No, he's dead now. I think. All right, we should just go to sleep now. Where's it? Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just killed him.
I'm sick.
Meat bad.
I'm sick, guys.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
I don't eat the mushrooms.
Okay. Wait, which color? Are they red or the
Red,
white ones? I
red.
think there's two.
Don't eat the red ones.
Oh yeah, I
On them
figured out those.
I have a turtle head. Ugh, this is
Nice. That's
disgusting.
his name.
Disgusting.
Fucking rabbit. Oh wait, I see a deer on me. Come to me, there's like 2 deers.
Brittany, come back. Turn around. Turn around. Come to me.
I'm here.
Wait for this to turn different color. Put it here and then take that food, okay?
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Your feet's on fire.
Why is there a cannibal here? Oh, No, bring
Yeah,
your next-
I'm not hungry no more.
Alright, so let's go now.
I killed this.
I killed her.
Hey, that's lunch right there.
What up? What's up? You good?
That was disgusting, bro.
Did you eat it? Oh, you was cutting it up.
Nature, welcome to nature.
This gives me the heebie-jeebies, bro. Guys, come help me kill it.
You're not catching that.
What is it, a deer?
Wait, is this this?
Have dinner for later,
There's some
guys.
food in here.
Same.
I have meat. I have meat. We'll be eating
Nice,
meaty.
same.
That's what she said.
What the fuck?
Cannibal. Get the fuck away.
Yo, keep up, kid. Keep up.
Damn, I was chasing a raccoon, bruh.
Okay.
You want dinner later or
Yeah.
not?
I've got the dinner ready as well.
I have dinner for myself.
Alright, buddy. L
I got a
team,
bunch of
bruh.
rocks from
L
the
team.
Team, oh team.
L team.
Clean.
Yeah,
Ow, fuck, I'm dead.
you're dead.
Oh no, my controller disconnected. 2 seconds.
To
Man,
kill a deer.
the controller disconnected at the worst time. Got it.
Guys, help! 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 Help!
Why?
Right there, look, on the rock. He was just chasing me.
You got
Getting him.
yourself.
Yeah, back the fuck up.
Scythe, bro.
What the hell? It It's an updated cannibal, bro.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
It's an updated cannibal. What the
Res
hell?
him.
I can't.
I got you. I got him. Get him now. He's on the floor.
Well, I'm trying to respawn.
Oh, I think Brittany died.
Brittany died?
Yes, I'm dead, dumb boys.
Okay.
What the hell?
Fuck these cannibals. Got a cannibal mouse. They're in the trees. What is this, the 100? Oh god, we spawned at their camp.
Spawn camped them.
We killed this big one.
Oh, what the fuck?
It might be part of the Looney Tunes, low key.
Oh my god. Poke him. I'm rezzing. Res?
I'm on, bro. You know what?
Yeah.
No. You know what, yeah?
Anyone who fucking comes at me, look, I got your fucking daddy, bro.
Is there any meds right here? Let me see.
What the hell? I have a skin pouch. Ew.
Oh yeah, you open those up. Put it in your middle thing. Fucking. Yes, you're heading towards the beach, guys.
I have meds.
Let's keep heading towards the beach over here.
Go in, Brittany.
I have meds. Yes. I
God.
ate it.
Nice, lucky.
Oh my god, no, I have a cramp in my foot.
In the game? How do you feel it? What the hell?
No, he's got IRL.
Oh.
Some money. Oh look, meal ready to eat right here. Look, you guys can eat this.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Turned off the music.
Cannibal right
Yeah.
next to us. Right in front of us.
Jump him!
Wait, I'm looting.
I'm dead! Help! Someone res me, please! Res me, just come to me and hold E.
I got you, bro.
There.
I killed him. I sliced his legs off.
Nice.
Look, high explosive.
Whoa, no, don't eat it.
Boy.
Look, there's meds here.
Where?
I got it.
Oh, okay. Great. Nice.
I got a grenade and I got 2 C4s.
Wait, where my med at? Oh, it's right here. Yeah.
Finally.
I'm loaded.
Yo, you guys are loot goblins. I ain't getting nothing. What the hell? Alright, let's go though. Let's go. Let's go, loot goblins.
Fuck you.
Wow. Alright, bet. Gremlin. Better.
Alright, guys.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, let's go.
A cannibal! Sorry, I'm kidding. It's just you.
Whoever is the slowest swimmer is the one that the shark goes for.
Oh, hell no.
Funny.
Oh god, I'm in the back. Oh fuck.
I want Chinese food, bro.
Nah, I want chilies. Fuck that.
Chilies. I had chilies like last week.
Wow.
No. No, I think 2 weeks ago. How do I
Oh, hey.
go? Oh.
Oh my god. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Let me in.
Look what I have.
Did she pick up the pistol?
Yo, do not point that at anybody. Yo. Yo, relax.
What should we change this as? What icon?
Huh? I don't know. What do we need? Where's the shark at? There's a shark here. There's a shark in the water. There's a shark in the water. There's a shark in the water. There's a shark
Oh,
in the
hell
water.
no.
There's a shark in the water. Rescue, please.
Oh, I left him. Oh my god, I thought he was still alive. Bro, I deadass thought he was still alive. Holy shit.
I think they're coming for me.
Is he still alive, Owen?
Yeah. Behind you,
Okay.
behind you.
No, but is Alex still alive? Oh, he's responding.
Yeah.
Oh my god, poor Alex. Where's Blood? He's all the way over there. This is nature. Dead man nature.
Wow, thanks guys. Thanks for letting me die.
I'm
You guys
sorry.
just left me.
No, I
Yeah, there
thought
was
you
3
were.
sharks on you, bro.
I thought
Yeah.
you were. Oh, 3 sharks. I thought you were still alive. That's why I ran away.
I was saying I'm dead. I'm saying res me.
Yeah, that's what I heard after I was too far from you, so I just decided to just save myself.
My bad. That was my accident.
No, it was.
Oopsie.
No, yeah, right? Yeah, right? With your food, you're like, I got food for myself, see? Right?
What are you talking about?
I'm
I don't
fending,
remember that I said that.
fending for myself, dog.
Survival of the fittest and all that, you know what I'm saying?
Right here!
It's like
Right here!
3 arms.
Right here, guys! Items.
Bro, we have guns. Just shoot them. Oh, there's some shit up. Food. You have yet to find any meds yet.
I have meds.
Found some.
Do you need some?
Nah, it's okay. I'm fending for myself according to you.
Bruh, do you need some? Yes or no?
I'm not a part of this tribe, I guess.
Stop being sassy. Do you need the meds? Bro is sassy. Oh my god.
For real? Do you want a Glock to your head, dude?
Nah, it's okay, guys. Wait, come this way, come this way.
Damn mad tribe.
You see this blue shit on the map?
Let me see.
See that blue shit on the map? Someone has a deer!
Killed a deer.
3 shots at the fucking deer. Hey, don't kill my deer! Oh my... How dare you? How dare you skin my deer? Oh my god, he gives out so much meat, pause. Yo.
Nice.
Alright, you guys can take some. Alright. I'm a team player, guys. I'm not selfish.
Nah, it's okay. You could take it.
Nah, actually I can't. There's like more. I can't take that. I'm gonna throw this rock at you.
She's
No, you-
thick.
I mean, no one wanted to give me meds, so.
Hey, Hey.
Well, no, because I found the med and I took it for
Wait,
myself.
wait.
Hey, what, bro? Hey, what, bro?
Hey.
Okay. Just kidding. Just kidding. Why are you hiding behind a tree? Relax. Cornered and shit, like it's like. Alright, relax. Wait, do you guys want to go to to sleep or go into his cave?
Bro, let's go to sleep. Are you... Bro, go to sleep.
Yeah, you're right.
Bro said, let's go in the
Set
cave.
it up.
What? What?
Hi, look, I'm making a fire right in front of us. Do not step on it. You guys know right now.
Roger.
Okay, yeah.
You my idea.
Did I? No, I didn't. We need a couple fires. Where's this fucking pot at? Water. About a sancocha fucking food real quick. Can I? Boom. Gotta put some like chicken in there.
Where's the chicken at, bro?
You got chicken?
It was in
Not even
here.
chicken. It's like fucking deer and bunny meat and shit. Raccoon meat.
Oh. Wow.
How long it takes for this shit to cook? What the fuck?
Bruh. Let it cook.
I like my shit medium rare.
I like mine medium well.
Ew, well? Nah, you're kidding.
I love medium well. I don't like when it's like chewy, bro. No!
Oh, my thing is done. Here, you guys can eat some. Look right here. There you go, Owen.
Controller's not working.
Bro, you suck.
I'm about to eat this myself, then. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little hungry still. Wait, hold on. Let me make some more for you.
I've got full stuff now.
Oh, you got full?
Sir.
Okay, but. I don't know. I think my shit looks better than yours.
What the hell? Mine is definitely better.
I don't know.
Alright, eat some.
Put no sazon in there. Nah, I don't even want to.
Wow.
I didn't see you put no sazon, no leaves, no nothing in there. Just straight water and chicken.
Wow. Eat some,
No,
Owen.
I'm full, actually.
Eat.
Don't eat it. It's poisoned.
Fuck you. Bro.
Yeah, he lied to you. I'm Gordon
Whoa.
Ramsay. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, that shit was raw. Shit was fucking raw. Alright, we out.
Okay.
I think bro has a death wish.
Alright.
How do I light this? Oh.
Just hold L. Yeah.
Yes, I'm pro.
Where are we? Oh,
I'll go this
oh my
way.
god, there's beds in here.
Water.
Oh, the water took out my torch. Those batteries are for like the for the motherfucking flashlight.
Bruh, talk. Like,
Sorry, I'm a little slow sometimes.
imagine being slow.
This is a 3D printer. Wait, what can we print? Hold on. Fuck this book. I don't care about this book. What we got here? We got flask, lead, GPS case. How about we make? Wait, stop! Who's clicking that? I'm making a flask. Should make 3 flasks.
Whoa, you're using my fucking fuel bed.
Oh, that was your shit. Oh, my bad.
Get ready, bro.
My bad, big dog.
It ain't daddy.
Nah, I gotta pay for it. He's taking all the loot. Wait, what's actually over there? Oh, this shit's mad fucking good. Oh, you need a key card for this shit. I'm going back to that spot. Yo, grab this flask. Right here. Printing.
I got the
What else
flask.
can we make?
I'll get this dumb air. GPS. Where they at, bruh? I like my axe.
Huh?
You said what?
I said I like my axe.
Thanks for something else.
Huh?
You heard that, or I'm tripping?
I think it's because her voice cuts off as she's saying the ah.
I thought
Like
you said
your
I like
voice
my
cuts.
ass.
Yeah, like when your voice cut off at the point where you went, I like my ass, and then cut off.
Oh, no, I like my axe. Like the choppy
Yeah,
thingy.
yeah, the combat. Yeah.
I like my butt too. I think I have a decent butt. Is that weird? Like,
Respect.
I wear pants, like my ass isn't like fucking melting. Is that weird?
I can't hear him. All I heard is my ass is something.
No, I said when I'm wearing pants, it's like my ass is like not melting. Is that weird? Weird. You know what I'm talking about, right? Like, I don't know.
Nah, guys with nice butts is good.
Alright, bruh. You're objectifying me now. Alright, let's go.
Bro, what?
Let's go.
Fuck off.
I'm just fucking with you, bro. Come on.
Nah, I am objectifying you.
Yeah, I'm about to fucking shoot these guys. I had tapped one. Where's the other one? Right here. I think I missed that one.
He did.
I should probably save my bullets, right? Oh! Yo! You got him in the air.
Dropped his leg off. Tripled.
Alright, let's go in. Let's go in.
Let's go in. Coming in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Inside.
What's a meat right here?
Okay. Oh my god. There's meat.
What? That's literally what I just said.
Jeez. Rude.
Coming in, Brittany, Cam.
Sorry. I was collecting
Yo,
meat.
Brittany, you're math low, bro. You're math low, bro. Keep up.
Bro, I was collecting meat. Relax.
Wait, I think I see something down there. Wait, am I tripping? Yeah, it's in the water. It's right there.
There's two close. Give me a sec. I got me.
Flare it? I'm starting to flare it? Oh my god. Oh
Owen!
my god.
Yeah?
I got him.
Shoot him.
Yeah.
Back the fuck up. Yo, you
Yeah,
guys
well,
fucking running. Yeah, back the fuck up.
Yeah.
Headshot.
Gangsta.
Brittany.
What?
He's like staring at something. I don't know.
It was.
He's facing
Ah!
sometimes. What the fuck? Are you good?
Fuck you.
Why you scream?
The bat, bruh.
Oh. Whoa, what the hell is that?
I got 2 sticky bomb. Oh, what the fuck is this?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
Hold on. Throw the sticky bomb. Look. Right there. Now back up. Okay, perfect. Oh my god, Mom's calling me.
Owen, wait.
Let's move the chunks out of the way.
Owen,
Big ass chunks.
that's disgusting.
I know.
Wow, abandonment much.
I left for 1 second. Damn.
Wow.
He went to the toilet, apparently.
No, he went
Apparently.
to the toilet.
He went to the
Okay,
toilet.
I'll play this a little bit before I go to work.
He said
What
what?
he has his headset on while he's on the toilet.
No.
Yeah, he went to the toilet.
I'll go to toilet in a minute. Go.
Why?
What? So explore this cave, let's go.
You mean, did you go or you didn't go?
I didn't go yet, I'm going in a minute.
Go to the toilet.
Toilet's not free yet, that's why.
Oh. Toilet's
No,
not
man.
free. Fuck off. He said toilet's not free yet. You care.
Creatures on me.
Oh,
We're jumping him. I have never felt how to jump somebody, and now I
I think
have.
that's a her.
Oh, her.
Think. Yeah, look, she has boobs and shit. Look, see?
Let me see.
Ew. Yucky.
Oh.
Bloody boobs. I was on to the right, look.
Who wants to get drunk? Ah!
Oh, fuck this, man. Fuck this.
Oh my god, I almost got jumped. I burned her.
Fuck all this. Fuck all this after shit.
For real. What would count them? Oh, what the fuck are these? These are new.
I'm throwing a nade. Oh!
Ah! It's attacking me. Fuck off.
Oh,
Fuck off, you naked bitch.
Oh my god, it killed me. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Oh, revive him, revive him.
oh, he's dead.
What the hell? He's dead?
He's dead.
No. I thought you said you revived him.
No, I was getting attacked by that fucking bear. I couldn't revive him while getting attacked.
Oh.
Died.
Oh my god, he's gonna be mad. Wow, he's gonna be mad. I know already. He's gonna be like, wow guys, abandonment much. Ah! Oh, I thought you were a cannibal.
I can hear you. Hello, I can hear you.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Abandonment, like, wow. Fuck, left me to die again, second time.
I'm so sorry. It was freeze.
Okay.
Freeze let you die.
Cap.
Ah!
Oh, what the fuck is that? I've never seen that before.
They're twins. Twin 'em.
Oh no, Freeze died. Wait, back up, Freeze died.
I died.
I rezzed him. Back
I'm
up.
dead again.
I'm dead, bruh.
Oh my god. Wait, I can res you, I can res you. I'm getting chased, help! Please, I'm getting chased.
I'm dead.
Come on.
I'm dead, bruh.
Help me.
I'm dead. Hold on, I'm respawning. I'm dead. I'm respawning. Owen? Alex? Owen? Alex? Bro, these fuckers die, bro.
Yeah, we died. We're coming back right now.
Ah!
Coming back to life. Brittany died. C4. He's dead.
Fuck off, you naked bitch.
Oh my god, it killed me. I'm dead.
Oh, revive him.
Oh, he's dead.
What the hell? He's dead?
He's dead.
No. I thought you said you revived him.
No, I was getting attacked by that fucking bear. I couldn't revive him while getting attacked.
Oh.
Died.
Oh my god, he's gonna be mad. Wow, he's gonna be mad. I know already. He's gonna be like, wow guys, abandonment much. Ah! Oh, I thought you were a cannibal.
I can hear you. Hello, I can hear you.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Abandonment, like, wow. Fuck, left me to die again, second time.
I'm so sorry. It was freeze.
Okay.
Freeze let you die.
Cap.
Ah!
Oh, what the fuck is that? I've never seen that before.
They're twins.
Right here, where is he?
Well, you said, come on, you fuckers. Dumbass.
Was it just only one that just fucked us all up like that?
No, it's not. Oh.
Ah! What are those?
Ew! Those are babies.
Ew! They're disgusting. They're disgusting. What the hell?
I said run.
Where is it? res you.
What the hell?
What? Ow!
I saw you.
No. Nah, bruh. Why you hit me?
I saw you. You would try to hit me too.
No, I didn't. What?
Bro,
No,
you went
no,
like this.
no.
You went like this. And I was like, oh,
No,
word.
I did not, bro. I swear I didn't.
I don't know if I trust you behind me. Come in front. Come in front.
Bro, shut up. What the fuck?
Oh,
Nah,
shells.
you
Get out.
stuck. Okay, I
I'm
will,
stuck.
I
I'm
will make
stuck.
the meds now.
I'm stuck.
Here, I got you. Don't worry.
Crouch.
Oh.
Yeah, I was gonna whack you.
Crouch, Brittany, crouch.
Oh. I'm good.
Freeze! You're funny.
Oh, what the fuck?
I fired her. Dumb bitch.
I think
Dumb
you bombed the
boy.
other one. I think you bombed the other one. Back up. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna res him.
Alright, bet.
I'll res him.
Be careful.
I'm out
I'm
of
dead
here.
again.
I'll try to res you. Never mind. I'm dead as fuck.
I got you. You're alive.
Okay, bet.
Look, right here. One more. Last one. Dead.
Nice. Alright. We need a...
Oh, wait, no, he's still alive. Fuck.
Revenge.
Now he- Yeah, nice.
Wait, I'm taking some meds and shit, you know? Alright, I'm back.
Yo, how big is this cave? What the hell? You see that thing right there? See it?
Where?
Right in front of us.
I'm blind as hell, bruh.
Wait, slow, go slow.
Oh, I see it. Jeez.
Do you have any bombs? Do you have any nades?
Yeah.
You have a sticky nade?
I don't know.
We should probably wait for freeze. I don't know, man. Could bomb him right now. Bless you.
Thank you.
Could look bomb him right now.
Do I bomb him, yes or no?
Throw it if you can. Throw it if you can.
Okay. What the hell?
Oh my god! Got him, I think you got him.
Oh. Are you good? Go in the water.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm on fire. Oh, water! There's no water!
Oh, I thought this was water.
Okay, we made freezing life easier. Cause
Huh?
he's not to deal with that. We made his life easier because he's not gonna have to deal with that.
For real.
What else can we make?
Ooh.
Oh yeah, you can craft bone armor. I forgot. Might as well put some music on.
Oh. Yes. Wait, what am I making? Yes! Yeah. Look what I have.
What? Oh, how you did that? How you did that?
I did 2 sticks, a rope, and some duct tape, I think. Ah!
I'm pretty.
Ah!
Oh shit.
Ah! It's on me.
It's right here. Why is it walking like that?
I put it on fire. It's so ugly.
Well, I don't like leaving people behind, Beck.
Yeah, I know. I'm impatient.
Bro, for real.
I can tell, stupid ass.
Very impatient.
Freaking abandonment much, bro.
Real, I have abandonment issues, bro. Crazy.
My bad. I didn't know you guys had separation anxiety.
For real.
Daddy.
I do. God forbid. God forbid. Don't you fear, Squidward's here. Oh.
Disgusting baby.
Oh.
Hot.
Oh, no.
Left, right.
Right, up.
I say that. Oh, okay. Let's go that way then.
Oh god, don't go this way.
Bro, what did I say? Oh my god.
Oh yeah, let's go this way instead. Yeah. Yeah. Let's keep going this way into the wall.
Fuck off, man. Oh, stupid baby.
My bad, bruh.
My fault, okay? Kill the baby
No
before
shit.
fucking trick-shot you, bro.
I just did. Slapped his ass.
But there's more than just a baby. There's more than just a baby. Who has the bomb? There's a thingy right here.
Same.
Bomba?
Yeah,
Bomba.
a bomb.
Bomba cut.
Bomb.
Stabby, stabby.
What does that sound?
Right?
My
You
stomach.
hear that, right?
Said I'm
Is
kidding.
that actually? It's not.
No, it's not.
Have you eaten today, Brittany?
Yeah.
I ate some soup.
Okay.
What is that? It's a
What's
what?
that sound? Did you hear that? Dominican soup.
It's a Dominican. It's a baby, I think.
I've got a grapple gun.
Right here.
I've got a grapple gun.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
I'm on 4.
Oh, is it?
I'm on
Oh,
4. A grapple.
Yeah, there's a grapple hook already placed. How do we go down? Do I need to... I don't know.
Oh, wait, no, look, just right here, look, just press E. One plate's already.
Go on. Yeah, go on.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Gee, next level tech.
Oh my god! Oh my god! There's a
What?
thing right there, there's a thing right there.
Oh,
Not
hell
in the
no.
water.
I'm on 4 health, so
reloaded. I've got
I've got bullets. I don't know how many bullets I got, but I got bullets.
wait, let me eat a fake meal.
Oh yeah, we have bullets now, right?
Oh my god, he's coming at me, he's coming at me.
I'm eating food, wait.
It's right in front of you! It's right in front of you! It's right in front of you!
Oh my god, he's coming.
It's right in front of you, Britt! It's right in front of you!
Ah!
Britt, it's right in front of you!
Don't revive, don't.
respawn.
I was eating, Reb.
Go, reser.
Okay.
I burned it.
I'll get another one.
Sorry, I was. Oh my god, I'm dead!
There's 2 of them!
Oh my god! No fucking way.
Give me a second.
Wait.
Died. He died. Give me a sec, Brittany.
Huh? Oh my god, if I die one more time, I swear.
Just back up.
It's coming for me. It's coming for me. It's coming for me, guys. It's coming for me.
I burned them again. It's on me, it's on me, it's on me. Keep down.
Well shot.
Brittany, res him. Shoot him.
I shot him. I think I shot them
You got it.
a little too much, bro.
Kill them. I need to eat some food. Yo, Brittany, you're mad slow, dog.
Damn, sorry. I was answering my mom's message.
My mom. I'm in my mom's car. Alright, I'm gonna open here. How thou? Jumped on it.
Might be me. Okay.
Big back, bro.
Alright. Yo, save it, Brittany.
We'll sleep and then we'll save. Sleep.
Yeah. I see you sleeping, yeah.
Save what?
Game.
The game.
We have to save it? How do I save it?
I've already saved it. I've saved it. There you go. Done.
Kind of Brittany, oh yeah, I see. Yeah, Brittany, you have to save it too.
How do I
Right
save
there.
it?
Just hold E
Oh.
by the 10.
Oh.
Create save. Yeah, you done it?
We're getting off?
Right now.
Yeah, he said he's gonna be.
Oh, I bet.